For in a long while. Me feel like say. Me over happy. First, me say, me go down pack, me say we put on some clothes, we looking at, your grip. If we see no clothes in there. So we take out that little piece of something and say, me go down for the road, can we take that yard? We take that yard, plus me sacrifice up. So we take that yard and we say, we go down for the road, go chill. After that we know we the white them. Because they all white there, but when we go down, we don't see them. So we say, we go for the first yard. Alright, take a look at him go there. Because they first have TV. And me say, me ain't know say, me could have so long my entire life, so. Me look at me one on TV. Me forget what to. Me forget what to, because we want to watch it. So, me say, me down there go and chill. And me down there chill. Me see my TV, I got away things, and me say, Jesus God Almighty, oh, yeah. Everything knows anything. If me have one boy like that, one grandson like that, eh? Just tell me. If me have one grandson, can't even talk. If me have one grandson like that, do wasa. Me so. If me have one grandson like that, you see? Me say, hey boy, you saying boy. If me have one grandson like that, me say at least up a girl, would I eat? Me say boy can't run till he can't run no more. He run faster than Jeffos gun donkey. Fast. So if boy run, me say, me can't understand. I say, what donkey can't run so? Then, me don't know say boy could have done so. And the one boy, me don't know. We say the only one, we name, Safafa. We say we kind of him say no car, we know say, one feeling come over and we say, him run it up. But guess what? When he did it, he so lose. I need the lose. He said, no, sir, we not see him. We not see him. We glad we ain't do. Because he never go. He said, no, sir, we not see him. I tap one way. I'm going to say, we put at me. But I tell you, me say, but me proud of him, say we are. Proud of him. But at least he know what we do and not shame. We can really say we live half his time when he come back. So guess what? He want silly. Me don't know what I look like say big toe feel him. I must say big toe feel him because me no understand. Me can't understand. Because me know say half me girl that day. Half me girl. Me say when me say when we say watch every sport we watch, we silly. When we see Shelly bend over and see things, we say Jesus Christ. We say boy is at the time in God like he want to get. We say boy is it. Be yourself. Because Shelly could have been grandfather because wrong. You know what I'm saying? We love Shelly and I forgot to do it. But guess what? The girl, me don't remember her name. But that girl there, he want to win. Me like wow. Partner, we should have come out and now we want to win so. I can't remember her name. But we say we love you. So me want one boy like a Usain Bolt because at least when I get pick up fine. And me say, if I'm really continue no more, I can find and can't reach a fine. And we know there's one idea. It's won't go. But at time, I'll do a time I run out of way. You fat pretty me. One night time you pretty, one night time you ugly. I say, go here. I say, one word instant today again because I don't like it. But they are pretty Olympic and something they were going for TV. Me love it. Me didn't get to watch every match. But the last match, they with the 4x4 really there. Say that God Almighty, only God alone could have come down and fight and tell me, say, the boy can't run. Because boy not supposed to run in front of people so. God far. Which boy run till he can't run no more. Suppose you know you one way, me know America one day. You look like I say, him come like a when Josie tie out in donkey with hamper and put feeding pan and can't go. I mean understand say him go like a when donkey away. I want pay road, I go market. Boy, me say me no know one ocean ne give him some my yam. So I give him some my yam too. You say just I give him some my yam. But anyway, don't take me lightly. We start doing joke, I mean, no more sport. That's what deal with. I look at me, go for everything. So you can understand it. But you know, better it can get better and better. Me find out say me love after me sing to you, me try me want to talk. Cause a long time I want to talk a story. So guess what? Me love what you have make me go viral and viral and viral. No talk. Subscribe to me. Do everything you can do. How you must see more can get a chance, you can tell you what I can. Love it.